Ready to put yourself directly into any scene or look you can imagine? Welcome back to Photogpt. In this quick guide, I'll show you how to train your first personal AI model and generate hyper-realistic, studio-quality portraits in seconds. Let's build your model. Head over to Manage Model and click Start. Select your gender, choose an age, eye color, and ethnicity. Then give your model a unique name. Now, upload at least 12 of your best photos. Make sure your face is sharp, well-lit, and perfectly visible. Hit Start Model Training. Once trained, head to Image Generation. From here, you can instantly select from over 100 professional presets. Lock in your resolution and choose your image count. To fine-tune your results, let's look at the advanced settings. First, adjust your steps to control the image refinement passes. Next, tweak the reference image style strength to balance your prompt with your style source. Always enable Enhance Face for crystal clear, natural facial features, and utilize the seed number to lock in randomness for consistent results. Now click Generate to instantly see your character inside your chosen preset. Want more control? You can also enter a custom descriptive text prompt to build a completely unique scene around your model from scratch. Just like that, you have a fully customized AI model ready for any campaign or creative project. Use it any way you like. I can't wait to see what you create next.